boots, and then we're gonna take off. So this is my outfit today. So I'm gonna show you my new plans. So this is my new plans today. Wala din we kuhang 1 week. Okay ka na, o kuha. And ano, wala pa rin tayo dito.
Na. Na.
Pwede na pa rin tabasan na niya, no?
Pwede na po na. Pero niya lang. Nagko na.
Lemon, I have so for now I'm gonna show you the boots. So from here, I'm gonna walk with it. It's old na, it's damaged, I need new one. So I'm gonna take off the boots and I'm gonna wear flip-flops. Okay, just wait, I'll be right back. Diha lang kabalik. Hi, so I have these flip-flops that I'm gonna wear after taking off these boots. So this is without a zipper, so if it's raining, the rain cannot penetrate inside. So look at my feet, come here, and I have this black, oh my gosh, I was in the river today, so it's kind of messy, dirty a bit. But this is my black nails, nail polish today. So it's damaged now, look, because of the water. So I'm gonna take off this one and then show you my, yeah, so my dog is so noisy today. So okay. That's all for today's video. I hope you enjoy and see you next vlog. Bye everyone.